Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today we are in the dining room and we are refreshing the dining room for early spring. A few weeks ago we were in here for winter, but guys, it is nearly March and it's time for spring. We may get another snowstorm before spring actually gets here, but that's not going to stop me from just lightening things up a little bit and bringing in a little color. So if you saw my last couple of videos, you know that I have been bringing in a few shades of blue. In the living room, I pulled in navy and a few other variations of the color blue, and in my kitchen, I went soft. So I kept my entryway rather neutral, but when I looked at the entry from the front door, my dining room seemed to need a little bit of blue. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to refresh the dining room with a little bit of blue. As I looked around my dining room, I was trying to determine where should I add shades of blue. So I took a trip to Goodwill, which is typically what I do when I'm looking to switch out colors in my home. And then I took a trip to Home Goods, but I came up empty-handed, so I came back home and took a look at my stash to see if there was anything here that I could make over. Now, one of the items that I decided to make over was a vase. Now, I had this vase in my kitchen years ago, and it's been moving around from room to room, and I decided to try it up here in the dining room. I had it in the dining room before, and so I thought it's time to give it a try again. But this time, I thought about painting it in a darker color to match the color of the wall. And it still felt like something was missing. So I looked at my artwork and boom, I said it's time to make a change. So I got out my blue paint and went to work. And guys, I do apologize for not doing this on camera, but it was late at night, and when I'm doing something as important as this art piece, I wanted to take my time and really concentrate. So this is how the artwork turned out. There was some brassy gold in there, and so I had recently picked up a liquid gold from Hobby Lobby, and I decided to kind of go over some of that harsh gold with that softer gold. And I really love the way the art piece turned out. Okay, so now the artwork is finished. I have the brown vase, and I still was missing something, so I took another trip to Home Goods. So this time I came home with a blue vase that I was eyeballing on a recent trip but did not pick up. Okay guys, so I got my blue vase and my brown vase. Now let's go ahead and get to work. Alright guys, so let's start here at the buffet. Okay, so I'm going to start here with this coffee table book. And I like the coloring on the book, so I wanted to go ahead and use this because of the blue. Even though the cover is going to be hidden, I just thought it's a pretty book to use up here because of the blue. And so next I'm going to use this statue. I always like bringing her out for spring and summer. Next I'm going to bring in some candlelight. Now, I always like bringing in a little bit of candlelight in the dining room for a little bit of ambiance, and so I'm going to add those two items there. I like bringing the candles in on the buffet, and yeah, it just makes for a pretty glow. And then I'm going to add this little candle cutter. Okay, so I think I'm going to switch out this candle. I want to add this little subtle blue that will pick up the blue from the artwork. And this came from Hobby Lobby. I need to go pick up another one, but I'm using that one there for now. So next I'm going to add this little decorative bowl. Now I had it originally in the entryway, I switched out the bowls, and you'll see a little later. This is the new one that I got from Home Goods a couple weeks ago. And I want to use it on the plain side versus this side with the brown, because it kind of fights with the picture on this side. So I want to keep this side simple. So next I have this little marble tray, and I want to add it here for just a few more candles. Like I said, it's all about the ambiance in the dining room. Okay, so I have this candle that I got from Sam's Club. I shared this a couple weeks ago, I think, in a haul. And this fragrance is agave and melon. And guys, it smells so good. They actually had a few other colors and fragrances, and it was only $19. Now, I do like turning my candle around so that you don't see the writing. I just think it adds a more elegant touch. And so I have this little bird that I want to add to the tray. And I think it's so pretty. It has the blue in it, and it really picks up all the colors in the room. It even has a little sparkle on it. And I picked this up years ago at a local decor store. And yeah, I just like bringing him out in the spring. And so he's gonna sit there. Okay, and so this is it for the buffet. And now I'm gonna put a few things on my desk, just a few. I have the artwork and the lamp here, and those are gonna stay the same. And I'm just going to bring in a few other accessories. Okay, so I want to add a little pop of blue on the desk. Add this candelabra. And next, I'm going to add a few catalogs from Restoration Hardware, and that's going to do it for the desk. Okay, so now I'm going to add the vase. Kind of off. Yeah. So for this arrangement, I'm going to use these sticks. I want it to be light and airy because I don't want it to get in the way of what's going on the buffet. Okay, so I have these cherry blossoms. I only have 3 of them, but that's okay. I want to keep it light and airy, like I said before. And I like these because they have the brown stem that matches the brown sticks that I got from outdoors. And my main goal is to be sure that you can see the things on the buffet. Okay, so I'm going to scoot it over just a little bit. And like I said, I may make some adjustments at the end. You guys know how I do, so don't make your comments just yet. So here comes the blue. And I love this blue and brown combination. I like that muted blue with the brown. I think it has a very elegant look. Okay, so next I have this little marble dish that's gonna pull everything together. everyone. I hope you enjoyed seeing the dining room refreshed. It turned out exactly how I had envisioned it. It's light and airy. It has a touch of blue. It's casual and elegant at the same time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you are here for the first time, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you like a simple but elegant design with a little modern twist, I think you will love it here. So please go ahead and subscribe. It costs you $0. And for everyone else, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all at my next video. Bye-bye.